These SMARTBOT solar torch lights provide gorgeous flickering light to your outdoor space. They are solar powered, so you don't need to be concerned about having an electrical outlet. All you have to do to assemble it is snap these pieces together, and there you go. It's very nice and long size for a nice solar light. So these come in a pack of 2, and what's great about them is that they automatically come on at dusk, or you can turn them off with the button found right on the side. Very clear, nice big button, very pushy too. If you don't want them on, that's a great way to just easily turn them off. They are waterproof up to IP65, and the solar panel is designed to last more than 5 years. That's great, because then you can keep this out, you can relocate them to different areas of your yard, and that makes it very easy to use. They charge via sunlight and can charge fully in 8 hours to provide 12 hours of flickering light. So if you were to get this during the day if you're able to get this during the day, just immediately throw them right outside, and so you can place them in your yard and they'll light up at night. If you have less sunlight, they will still work, but for a shorter period of time. You won't have 12 hours of flickering light, you will have less than that. I'm going to place these in the yard now, so let's go see what they look like. Okay. Alright, so we have these placed in my garden. It's easier if you put the stake in the ground first, by the way. I don't want anyone to snap theirs or anything like that, but here we have it all situated, so we're going to come back at night. They're actually a pretty nice piece, even when they're not lit up. Very nice torch without the flame yet.